In this video, I'll show you how to sign up for a Wise account. Step 1. Visit the Wise website. Open your web browser and navigate to wise.com, the official Wise website. There will also be a Wise website link in the description down below. This is where you will start the sign up process. Step 2. Click Register or Sign Up. On the Wise homepage, locate the Register or Sign Up button, usually found in the top right corner. Click it to begin creating your account. Step 3. Choose account type and enter details. Select whether you want a personal or business account. Then enter your email address, create a strong password, and select your country of residence. Step 4. Verify your email address. Check your email inbox for a message from Wise. It contains a verification link. Click the link to confirm your email and activate your account. Step 5. Complete account setup. Log into your Wise account using your email and password. Provide any additional information requested, such as your phone number or personal details, to complete the setup safely. And that's how you sign up to your Wise account. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments down below.